What if I told you that there are 3 types of income, and one of them can change your life forever? Imagine being able to earn money while you sleep. In this video, I'm going to show you how mastering these 3 types of income will not only help you secure financial freedom, but transform the way you look at wealth. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly told that working hard is the only way to make money. We hear the term hustle thrown around as if it's the only path to financial success. But here's the truth. There are 3 distinct types of income, and each one has the potential to completely change your financial future. Think about it. Wages from a job, interest from investments, and royalties from creative work. These 3 sources of income represent different ways to make money, and each has its own benefits, drawbacks, and opportunities. But what if I told you that 2 of them are just about survival, while the third could give you true financial freedom? In the next 10 minutes, we're going to break down the 3 types of income: earned income, portfolio income, and passive income. I'm going to show you why passive income is the game changer and how you can begin building it right now. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have the tools to change how you think about money forever. Let's start with the most common type of income that most people are familiar with: earned income. Earned income is the money you earn from working, whether it's a salary, hourly wage, or a freelance gig. For many, this is the primary source of income. You trade your time for money and in return receive a paycheck or payment. But here's the truth. Earned income is the most limited type of income. Why? Because you only earn money when you work. The more hours you work, the more you earn. But that's also your limitation. You're trading your time for money. This type of income keeps people stuck in the grind. The psychology of earned income can create a feeling of dependency. You're constantly waiting for payday, constantly working for a paycheck, and often just getting by with little time or energy left for yourself or your family. It's exhausting, and it's easy to feel like you're on a hamster wheel. But what if there was a way to escape this cycle? What if you could work smarter, not harder? Stick with me, because I'll show you how the next type of income can help you break free from the constraints of time and wages. Next, let's talk about portfolio income. This is the money you make from your investments, whether through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate. Portfolio income is often referred to as investment income, and it comes from putting your money into assets that generate returns. Unlike earned income, portfolio income doesn't require you to work directly for the money. Instead, you're letting your money work for you. When you invest in the right assets, you can earn interest, dividends, or capital gains, money that comes to you without your active involvement. For example, stocks. You can earn dividends or capital gains by owning shares in companies. Bonds. You can earn interest payments. Real estate. Rental income or capital gains when the property appreciates in value. Imagine you buy $10,000 worth of stocks in a company that pays a 4% annual dividend. That means every year, you'll earn $400 just for holding that stock, without lifting a finger. But the key here is reinvestment. By reinvesting those dividends, you increase your holdings, and the compounding effect allows you to grow your portfolio exponentially. Portfolio income brings a sense of freedom, because it isn't tied directly to your time. You're building wealth without constantly having to trade your hours for money. It creates a feeling of empowerment, because you know that as your portfolio grows, so does your wealth and financial security. But here's the thing. It's not always passive. You still need to learn about investments, make smart choices, and monitor your portfolio. For some, this might require extra research, or it could mean seeking advice from an expert. But once you get the hang of it, portfolio income can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth. Now you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but what's the ultimate form of income? The one that could give me true freedom? Well, hold on, because we're about to dive into the third and most powerful type of income. You'll want to pay close attention, because this is where the magic happens. Welcome to passive income, the holy grail of wealth building. This is the type of income that changes everything. Unlike earned income or portfolio income, passive income is money that comes to you consistently, whether you're working or not. It's the kind of income that lets you live the dream. What makes passive income so powerful is that it requires minimal ongoing effort once you've set it up. It's income that flows into your life even when you're not working for it. Examples of passive income. Rental properties. You invest in real estate, and your tenants pay you rent each month. After the property is set up, your involvement is minimal, and the income comes in regularly. The first step is to purchase a property. This may require a significant upfront investment for the down payment, taxes, and maintenance costs, but over time, rental properties can become a great way to earn ongoing income. After securing tenants, you'll collect rent from them each month. The rent you receive can cover your mortgage, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs, leaving you with a profit. Once the property is up and running, you only need to handle maintenance issues and keep track of rent payments. You can hire a property management company to handle the day-to-day operations if you want even less involvement. Digital products. You create an online course, write an ebook, or design software. Once it's created and marketed, you can make sales around the clock. The more you market your digital product, the more sales you'll make. This can be done through social media, email marketing, SEO, or paid advertising. Once set up, the product can sell while you sleep. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products online, you earn commissions without having to create anything yourself. You promote these products through your website, blog, YouTube channel, social media platforms, or email list. Your promotion might include writing reviews, creating video tutorials, or sharing links in your posts. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchases the product, you receive a commission. The commission rate varies depending on the company or platform, but it can range from a small percentage to a large portion of the sale. Example: you have a blog focused on fitness, and you sign up for the Amazon Associates program. You write a post reviewing a fitness tracker and link to it on Amazon with your affiliate link. When someone buys the tracker through your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. If you have a large audience, this can lead to a steady stream of passive income as your posts continue to generate sales over time. Royalties. If you've written a book, created a song, or invented something, you can earn royalties every time someone uses or buys your creation. Once your creation is complete, you can either license it to others or sell the rights for a one-time fee or ongoing royalties. Let's say you create an online course about personal finance. You spend time creating the course, setting up a website, and marketing it. Now, as people buy your course, you continue to make money without having to actively work on it. That's passive income in action. Passive income gives you true freedom. You're no longer bound by time. You can pursue your passions, travel, and spend time doing what matters most. It eliminates the stress of having to work just to pay bills. You can decide what your life looks like, not based on your next paycheck, but on your growing passive income. But here's the catch. Creating passive income isn't as easy as just snapping your fingers. It requires planning, time, and effort up front. So, how do you set up passive income streams in your life? In just a moment, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start building your own passive income sources from the ground up. Now, how do you make passive income a reality for yourself? It all starts with understanding the core principles of creating value. To build passive income, you have to create something that provides value to others, whether it's a product, service, or platform. It's about leveraging your skills, knowledge, and resources to create an asset that works for you. Here's how you can start. Pick the right passive income stream. Choose one that aligns with your skills, interests, and resources. If you have real estate experience, rental properties might be the way to go. If you're a writer, digital products might be the perfect option. Start small. You don't need to start big. Begin with something small and scale it up as you learn and refine the process. Invest in learning. Whether it's taking courses, reading books, or watching tutorials, invest in the knowledge you need to build and maintain your passive income stream. Reinvest your earnings. As you start earning passive income, reinvest that money into growing your streams. The more you reinvest, the more income you'll generate over time. If you found this video helpful and want more money-smart tips to help you live the dream, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone looking to create multiple streams of income. Stay tuned for more insights on how to build wealth and live life on your own terms.